For this tutorial, we're going to be making a super cute mini heart. I have used the same pattern for all of these hearts, just using a different yarn and the corresponding crochet hook. I'm going to be using Paintbox Simply DK for this project, and I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook. But as I say, you can use whichever yarn you want to, just the corresponding crochet hooks with it. You will also need a darning needle and a pair of scissors for sewing in your ends. Okay, let's get started. So for this heart, we're going to begin by making a magic ring. You're going to lay your yarn over your finger like so, wrap it round, creating an X on the bottom, and then you'll have 2 strands on the top. Take your crochet hook and go underneath that first strand, and then pull that second strand through like so. And we're going to begin by chaining 2. So grab the yarn and pull through, and then yarn over, pull through again. So we have our chain 2. At this point you can remove your finger, and we have our magic ring and our chain 2, which we are starting with. So this is just a 1 row pattern, so it's super easy and super quick. We're going to start off by doing 3 double treble crochets. Remember, I'm working in the UK, so in the US this is known as a treble crochet. We're going to yarn over the hook twice, go into that magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2, you'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, you'll have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So that's 1, yarn over the hook twice, and we'll do our second double treble crochet. That's 2, and here's our third, 3. We're now going to do 4 treble crochets, which is double crochet in the US. Yarn over, insert into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. So that's 1, we'll do that again, 2, 3, and 4. So that's 4 treble crochets. We're now going to do 1 double treble crochet, and this is going to make the bottom of the heart. So yarn over the hook twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We're then going to do another 4 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's 4 trebles. You can go ahead and cinch in that center circle slightly if you wish. We're now going to do 3 double trebles, so yarn over the hook twice, that's 1, 2, and 3. We're then going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then slip stitch into the magic ring. So we'll go straight into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through and pull through. At this point we can go ahead and fasten off, remove our hook, and then just pull that tight. And now all we need to do is just cinch in this center circle. So you want to take hold of your work and then pull on that tail end of the magic circle, or magic ring as it can be known. Pull it tight until you're happy with how it's looking, like so. Then all you have left to do is sew in your ends. So thread up your darning needle. I would recommend that you go the opposite way into your work as to what your magic circle was. So work the opposite way and then come back, catching different threads, working in between the fibres. And then again, once more, trying to catch different fibres. And you can go ahead and snip off. And you can either leave this top one attached if you want to use that as attachment for something, or you can go ahead and sew it in. And as I said, you can make these with different weight yarns and different size crochet hooks to adapt the sizing, but either way, they all look really cute. If you are to use a chenille yarn like this, I would recommend by just chaining 2 or 3 to begin with, rather than using a magic circle, because this type of yarn doesn't really work very well with a magic circle. And if you would like to make these even bigger by adding another round to your heart, then you can check out this video just here and it will show you just how to do that.